Hey guys, this is not copyright, so for the last time, do not sue. Did I just say sue? Do not turn this on. Well, do not copyright. This is not copyright, so it's not music. Ah, and I got shot down right then. Whoa. Oh my gosh, we fired heavily. Oh, I hit, I hit. I'm hit. They're knocking me down. Getting me out. Hey. No, thank you. I'd rather pull off. I'm pulling off. Don't attack me, please. Oh, I'm being fired at heavily. I'm hit. I'm going down. Smoking pretty badly. Oh. Ah, go get him next time. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I am the worst pilot ever. Quit mission. Yes, I want to quit mission. Technically the worst pilot ever. So I don't think Diamond Armor Gaming is gonna be in this one. Japanese, right? My back hurts. One second, guys. Hold on a minute. I need to set something up. Put this stupid thing behind my back. There we go. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, I dropped the camera. Okay, continue. Okay. So, guys, I have to set up the camera again. So, we're doing Japanese raid. Okay, so I kind of try to pull up. Come on, warp speed. Is that warp speed? Who am I, Sonic? Ooh, this looks nice. Turn around. I'm a great flyer. Okay, so let's head in this way. Oh, I'm about to challenge myself and do this. My hand is in the way. Sorry. I'm about to challenge myself and do this in first person. Come on, Leo, hurry up. Sorry, Leo's in. Freaking keep saying. Let's not. That's my YouTube channel, alright. Diamond Armor Gaming's in the restroom. So, death from above. Warp speed! I can't go fast. Okay, come on. How far am I up? Okay, perfect. This is far enough. Okay. Should be. Oh, there's still a lot of gadgets. Oh, no. There you go. Oh, there we are. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh, sorry about that, guys. You gotta be kidding. Oh my. Sorry, guys, my phone blowing up with these messages. Sorry, I like this music so much. Where are they? They're behind me. I wasn't really prepared for this. Oh my gosh. Your phone. Sorry, guys. Diamond Armor Gaming's probably not gonna be here. Okay, slow down, slow down. Let's play its pass. Win or lose, it's a dangerous life. I'm gonna aim for that one. Fire! Oh, dang it, I got 9 seconds on the reload. Come on, come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light him up! Woohoo! This play has some poor turning systems. Turn around, you dumb plane! Oh, they're all up ahead. Great. Look up. Yeah, right there. Kill. I get a first person. How you like that, Japanese? I'm turning into a crazy man. I mean, this thing has a poor turning system. Invincible. Up into the sky. They can stop it at left. Oh, what? How you missing? I really missed all those shots. There we go. I'm hitting. There we go. Got him. Whoops. WE. I'll kill this guy. Okay, Diamond Armor Gaming is back. About time. About 9 minutes into the video already.
Oh, well, I'm sorry that I had to take a big
Dump.
dump.
Pretty much. Sorry, guys. What's ad coming on?
I think it's best if you just put that as an add-on, but to let it in, actually put that as an add-on to the video.
Okay, shh.
Well, I'm gonna listen to mine.
This goes perfect right now. Ah! This thing has a poor turning systems. I'm about to aim for this guy. Hello, buddy. Hello, pup. Dang it, I got the reload systems. The reload system on this thing is poor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! Whoa, turn! Well, guys, guess let's get in the video. See you later. Peace out.